Welcome back, guys. So you can see I've been busy this past weekend. I took the backhoe and I took this hill out. I put the bigger bucket on the tractor. I have two buckets, a 16-inch and a 24-inch. The 16-inch, I had the 16-inch on there, and I was digging away at the hill, and it was just taking a little while to pile up the dirt for the tractor. So I put the 24-inch bucket on there, and man, that thing moved some dirt. A lot more dirt than I thought. I was afraid by putting the bigger bucket on, it would limit my digging force to break through some of the clay. However, over here is just nothing but sand, but over there is just nothing but clay. And I was afraid that the bigger bucket would it would take me a little longer to dig through the clay, but it doesn't. I haven't noticed a difference. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little more backhoe work, and I'm gonna take the backhoe off and put on my box blade, and I'm gonna move all this dirt, I'm gonna haul all of this dirt down to the sawmill site and start leveling it. So but first I have to move that pile of logs, so let's go and do that. This is what I've done so far. Cleaned up all this loose around the hill, so I can bring the backhoe in and start trimming away more. All these are wood chips. I didn't realize I had so many wood chips, and I didn't realize the hill sloped down so much. I thought the hill just went straight over and then it sloped down through there, but obviously I was wrong. But so anyways, I got all this loose stuff down. I didn't go down as deep as I thought I did with the backhoe. This is still really packed there, but I have to get this entire pile out today. I just got a call at the dump trailer. I have a job for it, so I won't have that for a couple of days, and it leaves tonight to go to the job. So I gotta get, my plan is to get all this dirt out of here this evening. I have to work tonight. I have to leave here at 7 to go to work. So, and it's 3 o'clock now, so we'll see how far along I get. Well, I think that wraps it up for today. The battery died on the dump trailer, so I couldn't dump anymore. But I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 loads down here. Didn't make much of a dent in the pile up there by the wood, but it was a start. I think what I'm gonna do is tomorrow, well, there's a possibility I have to run to Ohio tomorrow. I'm in Maryland. Ohio is about 6 hours, 7 hours away. I might have to haul a truck for someone, tow a truck back down here. So we'll see. I'm supposed to hear from him in a couple hours. But I'm gonna go inside and eat, and then I have to go to work. But I think tomorrow, if I don't have to go to Ohio, I will put the box blade on the tractor, and I'll go ahead and flatten this out, and then I'll work all day tomorrow bringing loads of dirt down. But until then, if you guys like these videos, please like, share, subscribe, and take care. I'm not sliding down there.
Why?
Because that's your thing.
You've got long pants. So
So?
just take your pants off to sit on your couch. That's what we have to do.
Mm-hmm.